Well, looks like this is it.
Sign language,
Fuck off, idiots. Fucking your sign language is a big dick in your mouth.
Hey,
you tomorrow night, mate. Sean's going to get a cock up his ass.
No.
He's going to take an ass cock whipping.
Surprise, surprise, surprise.
Hello!
I'm probably not even getting on the plane anyway, so what's the fucking... Short as... Yeah, sorry, mate.
So you say, fuck off.
Fuck off.
You got a fucking full house here. This fucking shit of a car going.
I don't know.
Drop off and fuck off, you cunts. This bloke's going to get on a
Is this where we're getting off here?
Yep, T2. Which particular one we got to check into, I don't know.
They don't.
You didn't check in anywhere on your app, did ya? You just do it there.
Yeah, do it there. Any
Come
problems?
on, fucking Boksoy Joy.
Any problems? Sammy's not coming.
That'll be me. That'll be me. It's always me.
Can't how many people at the airport have got masks on?
Coronavirus, bro.
Yeah. Brad Holmes, look that up. His missus turned out all the fucking coronas. Right, let's go in up. Well, fellas, people, this is it. First time in 12 months. Woohoo! Here we go. Surprise, surprise. Where will we go? Well, you've already obviously seen it. So, there we go. Hmm?
Yeah, that's what they got the pointy nose.
Hmm.
They're on.
You're not on the plane yet, boy?
Oh, you reckon I can get kicked off? Oh, I won't muck around. What happened to the hectic camera? What happened to that?
This is easier.
Switched off, bro. So when do you use the special camera?
Same for special people.
Nighttime entertainment.
Oh, is it? Sweet, I might have to borrow it off you. What? But it won't be till a couple of days. Yeah.
Boarding pass, boy. Mm-hmm.
What are you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm 40B, so I'm just behind you.
You're behind me. A350, boy. Cup? Same.
Our flight number 464.
You jumping in here?
I'm just going to put this under my seat, yeah?
Yeah. Yep. And that's that. pocket card?
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Get a card?
We'll get one. We'll get one. Straight up, nah. Yeah. To your left.
Oh yeah, this is There's like 3 people in here.
Just as well as one of these.
Yeah.
Well, they walk, they do good for you.
Oh, it's a lot better. You just walk fast, you get there faster. Let the adventure begin. You reckon? Yeah.